guys, welcome back to another video here with me at the Aspiring Home Cook. And in today's video, I'm going to take you through how I make my quick and easy, super delicious prawn chili fry. This is a great option if you're looking for a quick meal and serves up really well with some bread or even some chapatis or rotis. You can also serve this with some rice. If, like me, you happen to love prawns, this recipe is a must-try for you. So let's take a look at what you're going to need to put together some prawn chili fry. I've got here about 250 grams of shelled and deveined prawns. If you'd like to know how to clean the prawns yourself, I've got a video on how I do it, and I'm going to link that video right here for you. I'm going to use 1 onion, 1 tomato, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or any mild chili powder. I've got some salt, which I'll add to taste, a couple of tablespoons of fresh coriander, 2 fresh green chilies, a piece of kokum. This is a souring agent. If you don't have access to it, you can leave that out as well. I'm going to use a little bit of sour lime juice. You can use lemon juice if you've got that, and about 4 to 5 fresh curry leaves. You're also going to need about a tablespoon of oil to cook your chili fry in. I'm going to start off by marinating the prawns with a little salt and lime. Mix that up well and set that aside for about 5 to 10 minutes while you prep the rest of your ingredients. While the prawns are marinating, you can go ahead and chop up your onion, your tomato, split your chilies and chop up your coriander and have that ready to go, because while cooking, this chili fry comes together in no time at all. Now, to start cooking your chili fry, heat a pan over some medium to high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil and let that heat up a little. When the oil is hot, carefully add in your curry leaves. Once the curry leaves have released their aroma, you can add in the chilies. You can either split the chilies or cut them out into large chunks like this. Add in your chopped onions. At this stage, you're also going to add a piece of kokum if you're using it. And you're going to saute the onions, stirring every once in a while till the onions have gotten a little color on them. Now you can see that the onions have started to caramelize around the edges a little. So we know we're ready to add the rest of our ingredients. And I'm going to start by adding the turmeric powder and the chili powder. Stir that around to mix the spices up well and add in your chopped tomatoes. Stir the tomatoes through and let that cook off for a couple of minutes till the tomatoes have softened a little bit. So the tomatoes have softened, but they've not broken down into a mush completely. And I know that I'm now ready to add my marinated prawns. So I'm just going to gently tip them in and ever so gently stir them around. You don't want to break the prawns, just toss them through that spice mix that's in the pan. I'm now going to leave the prawns to cook, stirring every once in a while, and let the prawns cook till they're done. This usually takes me a few minutes. The cooking time will depend on the size of the prawns that you're using. But once the prawns have curled up like this and have turned opaque, you know that your prawns are done. Don't overcook the prawns. They tend to get rubbery and very chewy when they're overcooked. Once your prawns have cooked, you can check for seasoning and add more salt if needed at this stage. Your chili fry is now ready to serve. You're just going to turn the heat off and add most of your chopped fresh coriander in there. Reserve a little to garnish once you've served it. Give that a light stir and take it off the heat. You're now ready to plate up your piping hot prawn chili fry. As a last flourish, add a little sprinkle of some of that reserved fresh coriander, and you're ready to take this to the table. Now, to me, that's an absolutely beautiful riot of color and flavor. And that's it, guys, a simple recipe for a prawn chili fry. And as always, I'm going to link the written recipe for this prawn chili fry down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once you've done that, click on that little bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. So till then, take care. Bye.